Hi, Jace here from TinCanFazed.com, here to talk to you about Kick It, a great fundamental game for teaching fielding and striking movements, skills, techniques, and understandings. To start, let's talk about the base build of this game and how we set up. To start, we need a large open area, 2 cones, and then we're going to take our group and split it into 2 separate groups. Each group's going to be playing against each other. And we also need 2 soccer balls. Now, in each group there's going to be fielders and then there's going to be batters. The fielder's job is to collect the ball after the batter has kicked it. Both groups are going to kick the ball at the same time and kick it in a forward motion. The fielders then grab the ball and then everybody on the other team lines up behind them and start passing the ball back the line. This can be an over-under movement, however you want to do it. When the ball gets to the last person in the line, now it's a race. The last person needs to take the ball and race to the cone. The first person who places it there wins the little game. After the game is over, you reset, having a new fielder and a new kicker. Now for our first progressive build in this game, we're simply going to add some more equipment. Now to do this progression, all we need to do is add another cone. The fielder needs to be behind this cone before the kicker kicks the ball. This really reinforces proper movement. And now we'll introduce the second build to this. In the second build, we just add and change some of the equipment. We put a tennis ball or a softball on top of the cone, give the striker a baseball bat, and have the people stand behind. And we still play the game very similar to before. We just use a softball bat and a ball. They hit the ball forward, the fielder gets it, both hit, both continue to play just as we have before, just introducing the softball equipment. Once they catch it, they put it back down the line, and the person at the end races to put it back on top to win the rally. And now we'll talk about the third build, where now we change how the scoring system works. Now the scoring system is a simple change. A ball goes past the fielder, it is a point for the batting team. The fielders want to try to keep their score as low as possible. If they catch it, they don't get scored on. If they miss it, 1 point. And then we switch and rotate with a new fielder, new catcher. The player with the lowest score in the group wins the game. Thanks for watching this short video on Kick It, a great game to introduce some of the key skills behind fielding and striking games. If you're curious about the full description of the game with the full rules and game sheet, make sure you check out that link below in the comments section. Enjoy!